Hey, welcome back. In one of the recent videos, we saw how to swap two numbers by using third variable, and we just took backup as a third variable. We stored first number to backup, and then second number to first, and then backup again back to the number 2, and then we could easily swap the numbers. In this video, what we will do is we will not take this backup. We will just swap these numbers with the help of operators and not the third variable. Okay, so I'll just go here. This statement I'll just delete. What I need to do is I need to perform some mathematical calculations. Note, this technique is only usable for numeric data type. So I'll do what is first number 1 equals to, I'll say number 1 plus number 2. Okay, then I'll say number 2 equals to number 1 minus number 2. Yep. Again, do the same statement. Number 1 equals to, perform just the above operation back. Number 1 minus number 2. This is a pure mathematical technique to swap two integers or numbers. It performs exactly the same. It will swap the numbers for us. Now I don't need this backup variable, so I'll delete it. Always make sure that don't keep unnecessary variables in your program. Whichever you don't want, just keep deleting. Don't keep commented code. Remove all the commented code. Keep your program in such a way that it will be more readable and you won't need to write the comments. Let's try to execute this. Okay, enter number 1, I'll say 1, and then enter number 2, 2. Yep, the result is the number 1, which was 1, is turned to number 2, and number 2, which is 1, which was 2 earlier, it is now number 1. So with the simple mathematical technique, what we did is we swapped two numbers. But how did it happen? Let's see. Our input to number 1 was 1. For number 2 was 2. If you just add number 1 to number 2, then what we are storing in number 1 after this addition will be number 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then in the second statement, we took number 1, that is 3. Then we subtracted number 2, which was 2. 3 minus 2 became 1. So ideally, if you say number 2 is now 1. Then in the third statement or instruction, we took number 1 again, and this swapped value of number 2 we subtracted from number 1. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. This way, in the earlier we had number 1 equals 1, number 2 equals 2, but after this operation or this calculations, we have number 2 equals to number 1 and number 1 equals to 2. In this way, we tried to swap two variables without using third variable. Let's meet in the next video with some another interesting logic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel. Take care.